Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning Steps. Today our topic is Dhanyavada Helida Kukkare. It is in the Siri Kannada textbook for class 6. Here in this video we are going to explain the question and answers of Dhanyavada Helida Kukkare in English. I will try to explain in such a way that it will be easy for all of you to understand. So let's start the topic then. First one, Lekhakara Parichaya. Lekhakara means writer, Parichaya means about. So, let's see about the writer. Hesaru. Hesaru means name. So, what is the name of the writer? Dr. Anupama Niranjana. Then Kala. Kala means the year. 1934. Sthala. Sthala means place where the writer took birth. The place name is Tirthahari. Krutigalu. Krutigalu means other famous writings of the writer Dr. Anupama Niranjana. So other writings are Tai Magu, Ananta Gita, Himada Ho. Next one is Ala. Next one. Padagala Artha. Padagala means word, Artha means meaning. The first word is Rasamulike. Rasamulike means Ausadi. It is medicine. Next one. Kola. Kola means Saravara. Is lake. Third one, Vruddha. Vruddha means Bayasada. Bayasada means elderly person. Fourth one, Shama, meaning Baragala. Baragala means drought. Fifth one, Adesa. Adesa means Agge. Agge means order. Next word, Pitambara. Pitambara means resme batte. Resme means silk, batte means cloth. Next one, Sadguna. Sadguna means Oreya Guna, means good qualities. Next word, Neravu. Neravu means Sahaya. That means help or assistance like that. Next question, Ondu Vakyadalli Uttarasi. Ondu means one, Vakyadalli means sentence, Uttarasi means answer. So write the answer in one sentence. First question is Hariya Guna Enta Hudu. Means Hariya means the name of the person, Guna means qualities, Enta Hudu means write down what are the good qualities of Hari. Answer is ಹರಿಯ ಸದ್ಗುಣವುಳ್ಳವನು ಹಾಗೂ ಕರುಣಳುವು ಆಗಿದ್ದನು. Means Hari was both virtuous and compassionate. Sadguna Bulavanu means virtuous and Karunaluvu means compassionate. So he is basically a good person. Next question. Kokkarege enugitu. Kokkarege means the crane. Enugitu means happened. So what happened to the crane? The answer is ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆಗೆ ಮೈಯೊಳಗೆ ಬಾಣವೊಂದು ಚುಚ್ಚಿ ಗಾಯವಾಗಿತ್ತು. Means ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆಗೆ means the crane. ಮೈಯೊಳಗೆ means the abdomen. Then ಬಾಣಬಂದು means the arrow. ಚುಚ್ಚಿ means pierce. Then ಗಾಯವಾಗಿತ್ತು means it injured. So an arrow had pierced the stalks or the crane's abdomen and injured it. Next question. ಹರಿಯ ಕೊಕ್ಕೊಯನು ಹೇಗೆ ಉಪಚರಿಸಿದನು? Means Hari, the person Hari, ಕೊಕ್ಕೊರೆಯನು means to the crane, ಹೇಗೆ means how, ಉಪಚರಿಸಿದನು means how he treated the crane, because the crane was wounded, right? So how did Hari treat that crane, wounded crane? The answer is ಹರಿಯ ಮೇಲನೆ ಆ ಬಾಣವನ್ನು ಹೊರತೆಗೆದು. Means ಹರಿಯ means the person Hari. ಮೇಲನೆ means slowly. ಆ ಬಾಣವನ್ನು slowly, that arrow, what he did slowly to the arrow? ಹೊರತೆಗೆದು means he pulled out. Hari slowly pulled out the arrow. Then ಗಾಯಕ means in the wound. ತನಗೆ ತಿಳಿದ means Hari himself knows ರಸಮೂಲಿಕೆಯನ್ನು means the herbs. So Hari himself knows what are the herbs required for that wound. ಹಾಕಿ ಉಪಚರಿಸು. So what he did? The herbs he applied on that wound. So Hari slowly pulled out the arrow and applied the herbs what he knows in the wound to treat the crane. Next question. ವೃದ್ಧ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? Means ವೃದ್ಧ means the elderly, ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು means the mother and father of Hari who are elderly person. ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ mean to the girl. ಏನು means what, ಹೇಳಿದರು means told. So what did the elderly parents say to the girl? So the answer is ವೃದ್ಧ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ means the elderly parents told to the ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ means to the girl what they told. ನೀನು ನಮ್ಮಲೆ ಇದ್ದು ಬಿದ್ದು means you, ನೀನು means you, ನಮ್ಮಲೆ means stay, ಇದ್ದು ಬಿದ್ದು means here, you stay with us here. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳ ನಮ್ಮ means our, ಮಗಳ means daughter, ಹಾಗೆ like ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, so will treat you like our own daughter ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು. This thing they told. Next one. ಹರಿಗೆ ಪಿತಾಂಬರ ಹಾರಿದಾಗ ಎಂದು ಹಣವೆಷ್ಟು? Means what happened when Hari sell that silk cloth? So the answer is ಹರಿಯೇ ಪಿತಾಂಬರ ಮಾರಿದಾಗ means when Hari ಪಿತಾಂಬರ means the silk cloth, ಮಾರಿದಾಗ means sold. What happened? ನೂರಾರು means hundreds. ವರಹಗಳು means gold coins. ಬಂದವು means he got, he received. So when Hari himself sold that silk cloth, hundreds of gold coins he received. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ for the following questions 2-3 ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 2 to 3 lines ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. Means answer, write the answer in 2 to 3 lines. The first question is ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕೊಠಡಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು? Means ಹುಡುಗಿ means the girl inside the room. ಕೊಠಡಿಯೊಳಗೆ means inside the room. ಏನು means what, ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು means she was doing, what the girl was doing inside the room. The answer is ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕೊಠಡಿಯೊಳಗೆ means the girl inside the room ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಪಾಡಾದಳು means the girl inside the room changed into the crane. The girl turned into the crane inside the room. Then ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ, that crane, what she was doing? That ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ ಚಿನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ದಾಗಗಳಿಂದ, ಚಿನ್ನ means like golden, ಮತ್ತು and ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ means silver, ದಾಗಗಳಿಂದ means thread, ಪಿತಾಂಬರವನ್ನು means the silk cloth, ನೇಯುತ್ತಿತ್ತು means she was that ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ means that crane was weaving the silk cloth using the gold and silver thread. ಪಿತಾಂಬರ, this ಪಿತಾಂಬರ means this silk cloth, ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ means it was very beautiful, ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಬೆಳೆಯುವುದಾಗಿತ್ತು means it was very valuable also. This silk cloth was very beautiful and very valuable also. Second question. ಹರಿಯು ಕೊಠಡಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಹಾದಾಗ ಉಂಟಾದ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯವೇನು? means ಹರಿಯು means that person Hari, ಕೊಠಡಿಯೊಳಗೆ means inside the room, ಹೊಡಗ ಉಂಟಾದ when he entered inside the room, why he became ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯವೇನು means why he became surprised when he entered the room. The answer is ಹರಿಯು ಕೊಠಡಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ means when he entered into the room, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ means inside that room ಹುಡುಗಿ means the girl, ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ means the girl was not there. ಹುಗುರಿಯ ಬದಲಾಗಿ means instead of that girl, ಬಿಳಿ ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆಯೊಂದು means that crane ಪಿತಾಂಬರವನ್ನು ನೇಯುತ್ತಿತ್ತು means instead of the girl, that ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ means that crane, ಪಿತಾಂಬರವನ್ನು means that silk cloth Neutitu. Neutitu means she was waving. That crane was waving that what is that silk cloth. So when Hari entered into the room, the girl was not there. Instead of the girl, a white crane was waving the silk cloth. Sandarbha Sahita Vivarisi. Sandarbha Sahita Vivarisi means describe with the background. First one. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೇವೆ means we will take care of her like our own daughter. Chapter name is ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ. ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ದಿಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ವೃದ್ಧ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ದ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಟು ದ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎವರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟು ದ ಗರ್ಲ್. Sandarbha. Sandarbha means which background they told, why they told this thing to the girl. ಹುಡುಗಿ ವೃದ್ಧ ದಂಪತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಲು means the girl helped that elderly people for cooking. ಮನೆ ಚೊಕಟ ಮಾಡಲು ನೆರವದಲು means she also clean and help. So the girl did cooking and cleaning and helped the elderly person. ಮೂರು ದಿನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ means next day morning ಈ ಮೇಲಿನ ಮಾತನ್ನು this above sentence ಆ ದಂಪತಿಗಳು that elderly couple ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಳು means told this to that girl. Next one, ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ವರ್ತಕರಿಗೆ ಮಾರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ means sell this to the rich merchant. So this line was taken from the ಪಾಠ or chapter ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ. ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು this sentence ಹುಡುಗಿ the girl ಹರಿಯ ಹೇಳಿದಳು told this to Hari. ಸಂದರ್ಭ means in which background she told. ಮೂರು ದಿನಗಳು ಬಳಿಕ means after 3 days. ಪಿತಾಂಬರ ದೊಂಡಿಗೆ means the silk cloth ಹುಡುಗಿ the girl ಕೊಠಡಿಯಿಂದ means the room ಹೊರ ಬಂದಳು means she came out. After 3 days the girl came out from that room. ಅವನು ಹರಿಯ ಕೈಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು and she gave it to Hari. ಈ ಮೇಲಿನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದಳು and said the above words. Next question, ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳ ತುಂಬಿ. ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳ ತುಂಬಿ means fill in the blanks. First one, ಹರಿಯ ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆಯ ಗಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ತನಗೆ ತಿಳಿದ ಡ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದನು means ಹರಿಯ means that person Hari, ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆಯ means that crane, ಗಾಯಕ means that wound, ತಂಗೆ ತಿಳಿದ means from his own what he knows, ಡ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದನು what he put. So he applied or he put ರಸ ಮೂಲಿಕೆಯನ್ನು means the herbs. So Hari applied herbs to crane's wound. Next one, ಹುಡುಗಿ the girl ಪಿತಾಂಬರ ನೇಯಳು means ಪಿತಾಂಬರ means the silk cloth, ನೇಯಳು means to wave, ಡ್ಯಾಸ್ ದಿವಸ ಕೇಳಿದಳು. ಡ್ಯಾಸ್ ದಿವಸ means how many days, ಕೇಳಿದಳು means asked. So girl asked for how many days to wave the cloth. Answer is ಮೂರು means 3 days. Next one, ಹುಡುಗಿ the girl ಉಟ್ಟವನು means the food, dash ಬಳಿ means near, ಇಡಲು means keep, ಹೇಳಿದಳು means told. So girl told to keep the food near dash. So the answer is ಬಾಗಿಲ. ಬಾಗಿಲ means near to the door. Next one, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ ಪಾಠದ ಕರ್ತ dash means who is the karta means writer of this chapter ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ. So the answer is Dr. Anupama Niranjana. So this is all about the question and answer of the topic ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೊಕ್ಕರೆ. I feel you enjoyed this video. If you feel this video is useful for you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.